Good afternoon, all. Can anybody confirm if I'm audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, Mr. Satish. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. We'll wait for 5 more minutes, then we'll go ahead with the session.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, good evening, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Ramchandra from Beml.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chandra. Very warm welcome to the session. We'll just wait for 2-3 more minutes. Once it is 1500 hours, then I'll welcome you all, and then we'll go ahead with the session.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Connecting the PLC. This is back. And the right quantity of the ions. I believe chocolate is with the right quantity and perfect package. And when a satellite extension will provide convenience to customers and also because it reduces time to keep as the right quantity portion for each dish can be stored for a long time. It will go time.
Good afternoon, all. We welcome you all to the technical outreach session of Desk 12. We extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed nodals who have joined us from BDL, Beml, and Midhani. We also extend our warmest welcome to the innovative minds who have joined us here, and probably we are looking forward to having them as first as applicants for the IDEX challenges, and then subsequently as winners to the various IDEX challenges. Before we move on to the technical discussion, in a nutshell, we'll just give you an overview of what IDEX is. But before that, can somebody confirm if I'm audible? Anybody?
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Yes, you are audible.
Thanks a lot.
You're audible.
Yeah,
Yeah,
audible,
thank
sir.
you. Thank you. So, IDEX is a Section 8 company. IDEX is a non-profit organization which works as the executive arm of the DIO. DIO is Defense Innovation Organization. As part of our effort to bridge the gaps that exist between defense services and the startup ecosystem, and also to reduce the dependence that we have in the defense sector, especially with respect to the imports. This ecosystem has been developed in the process of being developed. There are different as part of this as part of this as part of this innovation, this ecosystem, what we generally try to do is we have something called a Spark grant. There are different challenges that are launched as part of indigenization and innovation processes that we collect from different nodal agencies. When I say nodal agencies, I mean our services, Army, Navy, Air Force, then the 16 DPSUs. We also have other nodal agencies from the Ministry of Home Affairs, the likes of CRPF, CISF, and other agencies which are under the Ministry of Home Affairs. So what happens is we request the services, we collate the different challenges that the nodal agencies face. Then post receipt of this challenges and the curation, we launch it in the form of desk or prime challenges. Earlier it used to be prime challenges. Now what has happened is that prime challenge have become ADITI challenges, and the quantum of grants, which used to be 1.5 CR for desk challenges and 5 CR for 10 CR for ADITI for prime, now they have been converted to 25 CR for ADITI. The outreach today is for desk and the 12th edition of Defense India Startup Challenges. I'll share the challenge that has been launched by BDL. I'll request the nodal officer to kindly brief the audience out here on the technical aspects and the ask of the problem statement. Post discussion of these two problem statements from BDL, will go for a short question and answer session where I encourage all the innovative minds, all the innovators here, and any PI who has joined us to put forth all the questions to our nodal officers. Once BDL has done, we'll move to the problem statement of Beml and then to Midhani. Over to you, sir. BDL. Mr. Saida Reddy, are you there? Mr. Saida Reddy from BDL. Probably there is some technical issue out there with the BDL team. Meanwhile, I'll just share my screen so that we can go through the problem statement of BDL. I request all of you to put yourself on mute. What we realize is that BDL is facing some issue with the internet connectivity. So we'll cover Beml's challenges first. Mr. Ramchandra, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramchandra, warm welcome to you.
Yes, sir.
I'll request you to kindly,
Thank you, sir.
discuss what are the asks of this problem statement number 26.
Yes,
I have shared the screen. You can please go through this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, very good afternoon, sir. Myself, Ramchandra. From Beml Limited, KGF Complex. So here we are basically we want development of hydraulically operated main winch with 50-ton single line pull. Basically, this this main winch is being used in recovery vehicle for one of our product, Arjun ARRV Arjun. So this is design. This is the winch we are used in Arjun ARRV. So you can read the what are the specifications I'm going to tell you, sir. Just you can see read on this one, sir. It is a double capstan type winch. It means two drum type winch has been used. The rope under tension enters the winch and wind winds itself on the twin capstan drums. So which are grooved for preventing rope from slipping axially over the drum surface. Then the rope leaving from capstan with normal tension. The rope will be leaving from the capstan turret with normal tension, and it is stored in winding drum. There are two drums. One is storing drum and one is winding drum. Drive should be provided to both the capstan, which rotates in the same RPM. That means the two drums which are being storage as well as the driven drums should be synchronized with both the speed. The speed should be synchronized. That is the meaning of that. And for this winch is basically a 50-ton. The main agenda of this is it should be very compact design, because we don't have much, because there is a space constraint inside this. That space and all we'll give, sir. That's not about that we'll give. And it should be flexibly controlled both inside and also in a pendant type, and the load and the speed should be synchronized. That if the load is high, the speed should decrease, and if the load is less, the speed should increase. And also, once again I will tell some more specifications. So it's a direct pull of 50 tons, and it can be made into 2-3 lays. That means when the rope is being made in 2 lay and 3 lay. So it is not there, sir. I am telling from my data. It is of 3 lay. We can have a 3 lay pull. That means for every one lay, that addition will be there. That means 2:1 is 100 tons, and if we can go up to 3 lay also, that it should maximum is 150 ton. It has to come. And you can see this winch in and winch out speed, and what is the load it can take. So the design should be very compact, and the hydraulic system, the working pressure is 360 bars, and oil flow rate is 260 liters per minute. Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramchandra,
Yes. Yes, sir.
is that all about technology, about the ask of the problem statement? If that is the case, we can go ahead with the question answer session.
Yes, sir. I am ready, sir. Yes, sir.
So all the participants, if you have any question related to the problem statement, would request you to kindly put it forth to the nodal officer. Any question from any of the innovative minds here, or future winners, innovators in a startup or MSME?
I have one doubt here. Is that have you defined the height of the hoist which you want to do that, the winch system ke liye? What is the maximum minimum height which you are intended to?
Yes, sir. So height, it's not height. Length of the rope you are talking about.
Yes, sir.
It is 180 meters. 180 meters of rope length. The rope dia will be 35 mm.
Okay.
Rope dia of 35 mm, and the length of 180 mm. And here I want to add one more thing, sir, to this from my side, Beml side. There is one auxiliary winch for this main winch that is not included. That also is our Beml scope. It's a small winch of 2 ton capacity. Why the 2 ton capacity is used is to lay this winch rope, main winch rope of 30 mm dia with 180 mm to unwind or unwind. This 2 mm winch, one winch also has been mounted in front of the vehicle, so that this winch has been taken, and it is been winded to the locking position. From there, it will be attached to the main winch, so that the main winch will be pulled from the capstan, the main winch to the required bogged wherever we have to use this application to bog down vehicle. That is the function of that. That is been left, sir, in this one. So we are interested to add that also, small winch to be lay of this main winch, to lay the main winch. It's a 2 ton capacity winch of 11 mm length, 360 mm wire length. Rope dia is 11 mm and 360 mm rope. Because why we are asking as a package of these two is because the synchronization between both winches should be there. Only one inverter, as the vendor or innovator, should do this, both of these things, sir. That is our request from our Beml side.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, one question. Sir, how many quantities do you require for this challenge?
So right now
do you require just one prototype or more than one?
No, more than one, sir. More than one. The requirement is 10 numbers, sir. Right now requirement is 10 numbers.
Okay.
So we have to develop one, sir. First, sir, we have to develop and we have to do trials. We have to test as per this one. After that, requirement is there.
Okay, 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 got it.
Any other question? So it emerges that there is no question from the Beml for the Beml nodal also. We move to problem statement number 27 from Midhani. I request Mr. Kiran Kumar kindly address your problem statement. Mr. Kiran, can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you listen to us? Okay. Hello?
Yes, Mr. Kiran. I'm flashing problem statement 27. Kindly explain the innovator for this.
So, sir, what is electrolytic manganese production? Electrolytic manganese production. So basically here what we are looking for, we need a electrolytic manganese. What is electrolytic manganese? Generally the manganese metal is available in the market, but we need a electrolytic quality. So the inventor has to develop a procedure to refine the manganese through electrolytic process. In this process they have to optimize it's basically electrolysis process where he has to optimize the voltage and current so that whatever the specification we are showing, if you go down, we are mentioning the specification of this electrolytic manganese, they have to achieve. So basically, we are interested in the final product, high quality manganese. Now it's up to the innovator. We have no problem what process he is going to use it. He can use electrolytic process or chemical refining or hydrometallurgy, pyrometallurgy, whatever the process he wants, he can use it. At the end, they have to give us these results. And further, there is a lot of requirement. Around 50 ton per annum there is regular requirement from Midhani itself. The other industries who is making super alloys, other critical steel, there also there is a requirement. But as of now, we are committing our annual requirement. Currently, we are not getting this product anywhere in India. Nobody is manufacturing. And all that technology is available with some only with limited countries, and we are importing from that at any huge cost. So currently cost. So currently we are importing around at the rate at 400 rupees per kg. So this is from my side. So this is the chemistry what we are looking for. So the end application is for the manufacturing of different various alloys and steels.
Manganese metal is used in all steel grades and super alloys.
Mr. Kiran, is that all from your side? Would you like to add anything more to this? Or should we take the question?
We have samples. If you allow us to show, I can show you the video also. We have right now we are carrying the samples also. How it looks like.
It will be great if you can show it, sir. It gives us more insight. If you can share it, it will be great, sir. Thank you.
Okay, no, but in video I can share, but if my video is not starting. I think it's stopped from your end.
Yeah, Mr. Kiran, we'll just see if we can facilitate sharing of screen from your side.
Okay. So,
Mr. Kiran, we have made you the presenter. You can go ahead with screen sharing and show the video for sake of the innovators.
Hello, actually it's a live video, it's a live product. So if you allow us to show through webcam. So they will get the idea.
Yes, Mr. Kiran, you can switch on. Yeah, you can switch on your camera and please go ahead with the presentation.
It's not working. We are trying, but it's in disable mode.
Okay, so Mr. Sinha, what we'll do is Mr. Kiran, apologies. What we'll do is we can look into that. How can that be done, or maybe we'll try to get a video from you, and then we'll see if it can be posted on the web or our website, or in the sessions are also going to be uploaded on YouTube. So we'll try to see if that video can be added at the end of this session. So I'll try to get that video from you, and then we'll see if that can be done. So as of now, what I request all the innovators to do is kindly get your concern addressed if there is anything pertaining to this challenge. Please go ahead with your questions.
Only with respect to this challenge, right, sir?
Hello, I have a couple of questions. So first of all, what is the starting material that needs to be assumed for this process? Can we assume any quality ore grade manganese, or should we assume some specific material? Hello, am I audible?
Mr. Kiran, were you able to get this question? I'll request the innovator to please repeat their concern.
Yeah, I'll repeat it again. Hopefully I'm audible. So as part of the solution, should we just provide the final purification process? So what should be the input material that we need to consider? Should we consider manganese ore, like high quality, low quality ore, or should we consider manganese that is available in the market?
Mr. Kiran, are you here?
So,
Mr. Kiran from Beml, are you here? Can you hear the question? So, Midhani is facing some difficulty. What we have tried to do is connect on the cell phone. So, I'll request the innovator, please go ahead with your question once again. He's here, he'll hear the question over the cell phone and then try to address it.
Okay. So, can I ask the question now? Hello. not able to hear. I think there is some somebody speaking in the background.
Okay. I'm not worried about as long as you are meeting our chemistry requirements, it's fine. Even if they reconnect any of the scrap also, that is also fine.
So I didn't.
Can you
I
please
was
confirm
not able
if
to
you're
hear
able
that.
Pardon?
So we're just checking if the voice was audible or not.
Mr. Anuj Sami, can you please confirm if you are able to get the answer?
No, I was not able to hear the final answer. It was very barely audible.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll discuss the next problem statement, BDL's problem statement, and then we'll come back again to the questions that are pertaining to Midhani's problem statement.
Sure. Okay, sure.
We'll take the question at the end. So right now what we do is we go ahead with the problem statements of BDL. BDL team kindly discuss about your problem statements. I'll just share my screen.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
BDL, are we audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Yes, BDL team, you are audible. BDL team, you are audible. Kindly go ahead. Just give me 30 seconds. I'll share the screen and then you can go ahead with the discussion of the problem.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir, you are audible.
No, now you are audible.
Yeah, we are able to hear you. You are audible.
Yeah. So what we are telling that it totally depends upon the process efficiency of the process. The inventor can use any kind of the input material to get the final outcome. We are only interested in the chemistry of the final output. If his process is highly efficient, he can use a crude or even scrap also. If his process is not well optimized, he has to use relatively pure manganese. So it totally depends upon the how he is designing his process.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Now that Mr. Kiran has joined from Midhani, I request all the innovators, if they have any questions related to Midhani problem statements, they can go ahead with their questions. I see Mr. Beml having raised his hand. Mr. Beml, you can go ahead with your question.
No, sir, that is for different problem statements. The problem statement number 13.
Okay, Mr. Beml, we'll come to that once we discuss this.
One more question. Is there any restriction on the current efficiency and the power consumption for this process?
There is no restriction from our side. There is no restriction from our side.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody else? Any other question for Midhani's problem statement 27, manganese production?
Sir, currently what raw material they are using, sir?
Presently, we are using manganese, electrolytic manganese metal only. But we are importing the metal from the other countries.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I assume that is all from Midhani. We move ahead to problem statements from BDL. BDL team, can you please confirm? Can see the screen and your problem statement?
Yes, sir. We can see the screen.
Yeah, please go ahead with the discussion, the technical aspects of DPSB.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Sandeep Kumar from BDL. The problem statement we are discussing about ground power supply bottle. It is actually a missile specific component. It is generally used for shoulder fired missiles. This GPSB serves two purposes. One, it is acts as a nitrogen supply for the missile, and the second, it powers the missile during the tracking stage. So overall, it will have two components. One is a nitrogen bottle, in which the nitrogen is filled up to 350 bar, and the other is a thermal battery, which upon activation, it will work for 30 seconds. So for this 30 seconds, the gunner will have 30 seconds period to track and fire at the target. So basically, it is integration of both this subassembly is integration of both nitrogen bottle as well as thermal battery. How it works is once the gunner punches the nitrogen bottle, it will activate, in turn activates the battery, and this entire subassembly will work for 30 seconds. So basically, the constraints we are having here is one is weight, because it should not disturb any balance of the missile. Second is the air bottle which you are choosing has to store this nitrogen for a period of 10 years up to 350 bar. And the third is a thermal battery. It should give the desired output for 30 seconds period. That's it, sir.
And one more thing is, if the air bottle can be refilled by using a one-way valve, and the battery is an accumulator type of battery which is rechargeable, it is all the more advantageous.
Actually, this is a one-time use component. If we can make a form fit component such that it works for multiple use, that is also encouraged.
That is the best solution, I should say.
Hello.
If you have any questions, you can ask us. You are not audible, sir.
Hello. Are we audible?
Your voice is not audible, sir. Whoever is asking the question. Sir, Tirupati.
Yes, please go ahead with your questions. Please go ahead with your questions. Make best use of the time. The nodal officers have made it a point, to discuss their problem statements. We should use it well and ask as many questions as could be confusing as far as development of this product and understanding this problem statement is concerned. I encourage you all to ask as many questions as you can. Ma'am, Tirupati ma'am, you are not audible. Yeah, anybody else? Anybody else who has a question for PDL ground power supply?
I have 2-3 questions. First of all,
yeah, please go ahead,
you want air bottle refilled. So do you want a separate N2 generator system to go with this, or that is optional?
Yeah, we can have that generator system also, but preferably if it is an argon gas, nowadays very 99.99% pure argon gas is available in the market. So recharging system, if it is there, it's all the more better. You can vote for that also.
Okay, but you want it argon or nitrogen? Any of them will work for you?
No, argon is better. Because in the international market, we have seen this air bottle actually. It is there. This refillable air bottle will be having argon gas. Where it is one-time use, it is nitrogen gas.
Got it.
Yeah. So if it is refillable, you can go for the argon gas.
Okay. And you also mentioned about thermal battery. Do you have any specifications for the thermal battery?
We have it. We can share.
Yeah, if you can share that, that would be great to do the initial design.
Yeah. If you are interested, you just mail us. We'll do specifications.
Sure, you can probably share the email ID. And last question, you mentioned the weight constraint. So what is the maximum weight that the whole system has to be?
It is 1.3 kgs.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Any other question from innovators?
Sir, can you share the email ID of the gentleman?
Yeah, we'll share it. We'll share it in the chat box. We'll share it there.
Sir, I have one question. In composite material can be used, sir, for this bottles?
Generally, for air bottle, it is titanium which is being used.
Okay,
for
sir.
other, missiles.
Right, sir.
Air bottle, it is titanium being used.
Okay, but the pressure, what requirement is there? What is the maximum pressure you want?
350 bar.
350 bars. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have one question, sir. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Sir, you need any titanium bottle?
Yes, sir. That is what I have told. No? Titanium bottle is a titanium air bottle.
Okay. Okay.
So that has high strength material, high strength to low weight. So titanium
Okay.
is titanium is preferable.
Okay. Okay.
Because the gunner will be loading the missile and loading this air bottle and carrying it on his shoulder. So the lesser the weight, the better it is. So 1.3 kgs
Okay,
is the specification given for this.
Sir,
Okay,
your
sir.
any target dimension is there, sir, which we have to adapt? Target dimension, sir, of the bottle?
Yes. Yes. We can share it.
Just one query, sir. This
Yeah.
GPSB is it helping the missile to be thrown off, or it is doing something else? Sir? Is it ignition pulse means is any chemical reaction taking place, or it's just impact?
Sir, basically what it does is initially it helps the missile to track the target for 30 seconds. If within the 30 seconds the gunner finds the target, it will give the electrical input required for pushing the missile target out as well. So if he finds, it will give the required pulse to push it out. Otherwise, it will help it to track the target for those 30 seconds.
Okay,
At the same time, this is there is a seeker which is IR based. This nitrogen or argon will go and cool the seeker.
Okay, sir. Because why I asked is because we made an alternate throwing of the missile with just air pressure, normal air pressure, which we could achieve with a compressor for the training simulators that we have made. So that's why I was just asking in case instead of going for the nitrogen gas and this complicated system, can we substitute? Was my query.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, sir. Right.
And one more important point, Sandeep.
Sir, one more thing is the integration with the launcher is also important. So there is a mechanical integration with the launcher. There is one socket in which this GPST will go and it will get placed. Electrically and mechanically both it will be connected to the launcher. So that integration it also has to be looked at.
Noted, sir. Thank you.
One more parameter that is important, which is important.
Sir, then this integration details also, if you can provide, that would be great.
That we can share it on mail, sir.
Okay. And do you have any quantity requirements for this? How many require per annum?
Initially, for prototype testing, we require 30 samples. Once it is successful, we'll get to know the complete quantity, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Any other question? BDL team, you can please go ahead with your next set of problem statement. You can discuss that, and then we'll take questions from based on that challenge. I've just shared the screen for your reference.
So, good evening, everyone. This is Avinash, Senior Manager from BDL. So, this this problem statement was given by us. So, we are developing airborne equipment in which we will be using these military airborne connectors. So, like right now, actually, we are importing those connectors as mentioned in the problem statement from Airborne and Amphelon. But we want to make it promote it for utilization. So because like the lead times and the cost of the connectors were increased post-COVID, so we want to look for an alternative for this connectors in our system. So these there are 10 types of connectors. So those results were not given here in this problem statement, but whoever interested, we are ready to share the details of the connectors with the part numbers and data sheets. So there are 10 types of connectors which we will use. So am I audible?
Sir, yes, you are audible, sir. Sir, you said that you are whoever interested can get the details of the connectors. Sir, is it how to express that interest, sir?
See, actually, I will be myself or IDEX will be sharing a mail ID. So whoever interested, just you can drop a mail to us. So we will share the necessary details with you.
Oh, IDEX email only.
Yeah, IDEX or you can directly mail it to IDEX or they'll forward to us or they will share a mail ID of us. So you can directly mail to us asking for the queries.
Sir, we request the IDEX team to send us the details, sir. Whom I need to contact. It is I don't know whom to contact. That's the problem I have.
Actually, sir, I am the single point of contact for IDEX for BDL. So
okay, sir. Okay.
I will drop my mail ID in the chat box.
Okay, sir. In the chat box, please, sir.
Yeah, I will share that so you can note it down. And this airborne connectors in which where we are using, it's already that equipment we are manufacturing from last 15 years, and we have supplied some foreign vendors also, and we have requirement in the near future. So that it will be sustained for more than 10 years. So there will be a huge number of requirement for these connectors.
Okay, sir. Okay. So this is not like a design development; it is like indigenization.
Yes, sir, exactly. And all these connectors are of mill grade.
Mill grade connectors. Fantastic, sir. Sir, please, can you spell that email ID, sir? I will write it down.
Yeah, please note it down. It's BDL.
BDL.
Hyphen. IDEX. IDEX.
BDL hyphen, sir. Hyphen.
IDEX. IDEX.
Okay, sir. IDEX.
At the rate BDL hyphen India.in.
BDL hyphen India. It's not underscore, sir. It is hyphen in the middle.
Hyphen means just dash. It's not underscore.
Dash. Okay, sir. I will just repeat it. It's BDL hyphen IDEX, which is IDEX, at the rate of BDL hyphen India.com.
.in.
Okay, sir. .in. Okay, sir. I will write an email to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just one more query, sir. Since it is used in airborne equipment, do we have Semilac and DGAQA coming into this place?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Both will be involved.
Yeah. So usually, we are getting it approved from our RCMA missiles, which is established in Hyderabad. But actually, further it will be submitted to Semilac for final clearance.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Sir, are there any questions?
Question from any innovators related to all of the challenges, that we discussed some minutes back. Any question pertaining to Beml, Midhani, and BDF, since all the nodal officers are available, I encourage you all to put forth those questions if there is any.
Sir, Hari Krishna. Am I audible?
Yeah, Mr. Hari Krishna, please go ahead.
It's regarding the problem statement 26. 26. Hydraulically operated main winch with 50 ton single winch. If there is any reference picture, it will be useful for us to visualize what. So,
Ramachandra, are you here? The innovator, what he's interested in knowing is if there is any, any reference picture which could be put forth for his this thing. If it is available with you right now and you are in a position to share it, you can please do it. Otherwise, what we'll do is we'll see if that can be put on, our web pages.
okay. Can I have the person made ready to contact?
This IDEX mail ID, you'll be able to retrieve it from IDEX web page. And Noodle's mail ID also will share in the relevant section.
Sir, this is Puvinder. Hello. Sir, am I audible? Hello. Yes. Sir, I am having a doubt related to the hydraulic winch.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Myself, Ramachandra from Beml. Yes, sir.
Sir, is this the winch same as used in Beml Tetra?
No, I'm not getting used in Beml.
The Tetra vehicle, we are using a winch drive and winch assembly. No, sir. Is that same as that?
I'm not hearing, sir.
Sir, can you hear me now, sir? Hello.
No, it is not. It is not for Tetra. It is not for Tetra. It is not Beml. It is for Arjun ARRB.
Okay, sir.
It is for Arjun.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Any doubts, sir, in winch?
Yes, sir. I am having doubts, sir. Is this possible to meet you, sir? So that I worked in that winch assembly and winch drive, sir. So that I will happy to visit and see what is the requirement, sir. Previously I worked in Alpha Drive, sir. So that I'm aware of it.
Yeah, sure, you can visit.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. I will be in contact with this, sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
I understand that is all from the innovative minds out here. Nevertheless, if there is anything else, any other question which needs attention of the nodal officers, that can be sent as mail to IDEX website. You can find it from the IDEX web pages, and it will be suitably forwarded to the concerned nodal officers. We'll try to get back with the revert from them. I would also like to answer if there is any question related specific to IDEX, not to the problem statements, but if there is anything that you would want to know about IDEX, we can have a quick question and answer session if there is anything at all. Ananya, you can please go ahead. I can see you have placed your hand.
Yes, sir. So I've applied to IDEX in a previous challenge, and I'm not able to find the status for the application.
I did not get it. Are you talking about your desk 11 challenge? Is it regarding desk 11?
No, sir. It is regarding the open challenge.
So your concern is, can you please elaborate it?
Right, sir. So I've applied to Open Challenge Fill, and it is applicable to both Army and Navy. Out of these, now I have to look for status. There used to be a document that was coming out, right? Status of Open Challenge 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, so what must have happened is that this would have been forwarded or would be in the process of being forwarded to the concerned nodal agencies. The status, the updates that will be there in the website itself, as and when it comes to us, it will be reflected in the website. And what I request you to do is please be abreast with whatever information is being flashed on the website. It will get updated. It will get updated.
Okay, sir, will do. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, am I audible? Yes, sir. I actually have a doubt regarding another problem statement in DISC 12 only. Can I ask?
Can you please tell me which problem statement is this?
Problem statement number 14.
So, what I understand is problem statement number 14 would be pertaining to some other nodal agency. I request you to be updated with the different outreach sessions that are being conducted by IDEX. They would address it. It would be scheduled, or it might have already been undertaken. If it has already been done, then the recorded sessions would be available on the YouTube. If not, if the session has not been done, then it would be planned subsequently. Just look out for different advertisements and different outreaches that are being done from IDEX side.
Okay, thank you.
We do not have the concerned nodal officer. We do not have the concerned
understood.
nodal officer in that problem statement. So at this point of time, it won't be, we won't be in a position to address that.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Mr. J can go ahead if there is anything. I understand that there is probably nothing more. However, again, to be reiterated, if there is anything pertaining to problem statements, those could be put those could be sent as email to IDEX email ID, which certainly revert to that. I would like to thank our nodal officers for sparing their time and answering all the questions that we put forth to them. I also extend my sincere gratitude to all the innovators and all the participants out here who came to get their concern addressed. I hope it has been done. Thanks a lot once again, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good session.